This is the TriggerPoint GRID Foam Roller, and the company says it can change how your muscles recover after workouts. Big claim, right? Because foam rolling is one of those things everyone says you should do, but most people either skip it or quit after a week. So I've been using the GRID regularly, after workouts, before bed, even during long work-from-home days, and I discovered something they don't really highlight in the marketing. Let's talk about whether this thing is actually worth your hard-earned cash. TriggerPoint GRID Foam Roller Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the TriggerPoint GRID Foam Roller, made by TriggerPoint Performance Therapy, a brand that's been pretty respected in the recovery and physical therapy space for years. The GRID has been around in different sizes, but this classic version is kind of the gold standard. It's designed for runners, gym-goers, CrossFit folks, cyclists, basically anyone whose muscles feel like concrete the day after a workout. The big selling point here is the hollow core with a multi-density textured surface that's meant to mimic a massage therapist's hands. TriggerPoint GRID Foam Roller Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? I've been foam rolling for years, and the GRID immediately feels more intentional than those cheap, squishy rollers. It's firm, but not brutally so. Rolling out your quads, hamstrings, calves, or upper back feels controlled, not like you're fighting the roller. What surprised me most is how consistent the pressure feels. Cheaper foam rollers tend to compress unevenly over time, especially under heavier body weight. The GRID doesn't do that. Whether I was doing post-leg day recovery or just loosening my back after sitting at a desk all day, the feedback felt predictable. And that matters because it helps you relax instead of bracing for pain. Is it magic? No. Foam rolling still takes effort, and yes, it can be uncomfortable at first. But after a few days, I noticed less stiffness in the mornings and faster recovery between workouts. It's the kind of product that quietly earns its place in your routine. Features and tech. First up, the multi-density GRID surface. Instead of being smooth, it has different ridge and groove patterns. That basically means you get varying levels of pressure as you roll, which helps target knots instead of just flattening everything evenly. In real life, this makes tight spots easier to find and easier to work through. Second is the hollow, rigid core. This is huge. It keeps the roller from breaking down over time and supports up to a lot of weight without bending. Translation? Whether you're 130 pounds or 230 pounds, the roller feels the same, and that consistency builds trust. Third, portability. Because it's hollow, it's lighter than it looks, and you can even stash resistance bands or small recovery tools inside. Toss it in your gym bag or keep it in the trunk, no problem. Design and build. Design-wise, this is where the GRID really shines. It's made from high-quality EVA foam wrapped around a durable plastic core, and it feels solid the moment you pick it up. The textured surface isn't just for looks, it's functional, and the patterns don't wear down easily. Aesthetically, it's clean and minimal, which means it doesn't look out of place in your living room or home gym. Ergonomically, the size hits a sweet spot, long enough to support your spine, compact enough to store easily. This is one of those products that feels thoughtfully engineered rather than mass-produced. Pros: firm and consistent pressure that doesn't break down over time. Textured surface that actually helps target tight muscles. Lightweight and portable despite the solid construction. Cons: firmness might be intimidating for complete beginners. No size adjustment unless you buy another version. Final verdict. So who is this actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're someone who works out regularly, deals with muscle tightness, or just wants to take recovery seriously, the TriggerPoint GRID is a no-brainer. It's reliable, durable, and effective in a way cheaper foam rollers just aren't. That said, if you're brand new to foam rolling and just want to experiment, a basic roller might be fine to start with. But chances are you'll eventually want something better, and this is the upgrade most people end up making. This isn't a flashy product. It won't hype you up, but it will quietly make your body feel better over time. And honestly, that's exactly what recovery gear should do.